Thank you, Chris. Hello, everyone. My name is Ken. Today's focus is on TOA voice evacuation systems, what they are, why they matter, and how they apply in our real-world life safety environments. We'll look at both technology itself and the standards and regulations and drive system design before moving into TOA solution platforms and preferable options. At its core, a voice evacuation, also known as a voice alarm system, is designed to protect people where it matters most. During critical events such as fires, security threats, or other emergency, the system delivers clear, intelligible instruction to guide occupants through an orderly evacuation in specific areas or entire buildings. Beyond emergency preparedness, voice alarm system offers everyday functionality and operational value. Highly adaptable by design, these robust solutions provide BGM and day-to-day paging alongside precise voice messaging, ensuring vital information is clearly heard, understood, and acted upon when seconds count. Notification systems are not a new concept. It has been with humanity since the beginning of the communications. What has changed over time is the size of the targeted audience and the method to deliver this communications. Choosing the right type of notification system varies, as many factors need to be considered, such as size and shape of the building, occupancy across the facilities, and the background noise. TOA Canada access all variables to create a direct, intelligible communication that suits the needs of the particular venue. Extensive research constantly show that clear, intelligible communication dramatically improves outcomes during emergency situations. This is where voice alarm system truly excel. Unlike traditional bells or sounders that simply signals danger, voice alarm system deliver pre-record messages with precise instructions and critical information by clearly telling occupants what to do and where to go. These systems enable even untrained individuals and general public to respond quickly, calmly, and efficiently. When seconds count, every word truly matters. During emergencies such as fires, severe weather events, or security threats, occupants rely on clear, spoken instructions to understand what is happening and how to respond. Voice evacuation systems provide calm, intelligible messaging that directs people where to go and what action to take, significantly reduce confusion, hesitations, and panic. By replacing ambiguous alarm tones with clear human guidance, these systems help occupants respond faster and more effectively, resulting in safer, more orderly evacuations. For this reason, voice evacuation is increasingly required or strongly recommended by modern life safety and building codes as a critical component of occupant safety. Modern voice evacuation and mass notifications must do more than functions. They must comply with the most stringent life safety standards from the outset. TOA systems are engineered to support key global and regional codes, including UL 2572 for mass notification systems in the United States, CAN ULC S 576 in Canada, and FPA 72 for fire alarm and emergency communications, and also the EN 5416, EN 54-4, and EN 54-24 standards across Europe. Rather than adapting general purpose audio products after the fact, TOA voice evacuation systems are designed from the group up to meet these requirements, ensuring reliability, intelligibility, system supervision, and acceptance by authorities having jurisdiction. This standards-driven design philosophy provides confidence that the system will perform as required when it matters most. When we talk about voice evacuations, it is important to understand that not all markets are regulated equally. In Europe and Japan, the rules governing life safety communication systems are significantly more demanding than what we typically see in Canada. These regulations don't just encourage best practices, they mandate them. TOA has spent decades designing systems to comply with these stricter environments, including the European EN 54 standards, which became mandatory across the EU in 2011. These standards rigorously govern power supplies, control, and monitoring equipment, and even the loudspeakers themselves, ensuring systems remain intelligible and operational under extreme conditions. In Japan, the expectations are even higher. Following lessons learned from the 2011 Great East Japan earthquake, voice evacuation system must now meet strict fire service law that prioritize reliability, clarity, and performance during complex disaster scenarios like earthquakes, tsunamis, landslides. TOA systems, including advanced platforms like the VX3000 series, and engineered specifically to meet these requirements, they use distributed IP-based architectures, continuous supervision, and redundancy to ensure the system performs, even when infrastructure is compromised. So why does this matter for Canadian projects? Because systems designed to meet the world's toughest regulation don't just meet Canadian requirements, they exist them. TOA products are not retrofitted to comply with codes after the fact. They are engineered from the ground up for life safety performance, with more than 90 years of experience and the legacy built on global compliance. TOA delivers more than excellent sound quality, it delivers confidence, reliability, and peace of mind, making TOA an exceptionally choice for Canadian projects where safety truly matters. TOA voice evacuation solution are built around two primary system platforms, each designed to address different project scales and requirements. We have VM3000 series, which is a integrated, cost-effective platform ideal for small to medium-sized applications. It combines voice evacuations, paging, and the background music into the compact system that's easy to deploy while still meeting strict life safety standards. For larger and more complex environments, TOA offers the VX3000 series. This is a modular, networked, and highly scalable platform designed for medium to very large facilities, such as campuses, transportation hubs, and high-rise complexes. Its distributed architecture provides flexibility, redundancy, and long-term expandability. Supporting these systems is a comprehensive range of life safety rated speaker and peripherals, ensuring intelligibility in any environment. TOA offers fire-rated speakers and horns as well, including pendant speakers, in-ceiling speakers, wall mount, and box speakers, as well as horn and horn-rated speakers. allowing each system to be precisely matched to the acoustic and safety needs of the space. Here we have our core voice evacuation system offerings. Later on in this webinar, we will also go over system peripherals such as speakers and horns. But at the heart of each of these voice evacuation system is one simple priority: clear, reliable communications when it matters most. In emergency situations, clarity saves time, and time saves lives. That's why we provide systems that are engineered to deliver intelligible, dependable audio, even in challenging environments and high stress conditions. The VM3000, the VX3000, and the VM2000 system combine smart emergency audio with advanced control and supervision, giving system operators confidence that messages will be delivered accurately, consistently, and without compromise at each project level. At the same time, this system also seamlessly integrate with daily paging and BGM, background music, into a single platform, making them just as effective during routine operation as they are during critical events. The VM3000 series is the first of our integrated voice evacuation platform that we will be discussing in detail today. Designed to deliver reliable life safety communication in a compact and highly efficient system. One of the aspects that makes the VM3000 viable for projects across the country is its all-in-one architecture. Amplification, digital signal processing, emergency messaging, and system control are all built into a single platform. This reduces system complexity, maximize rack space, and simplifies both installation and maintenance without compromising performance and compliance. Because of its compact footprint and cost-effective design, the VM3000 is particularly well suited for small and medium-sized facilities. Common applications include schools, office buildings, retail and hospitality spaces, and smaller healthcare environments. Anywhere that require clear, intelligible emergency communication along with daily paging or background music. Importantly, the VM3000 is not a general PA system intended for safety use. It is fully certified to UL 2572 and CAN ULC S576 for mass notification in North America, as well as EN 54-60 for voice alarm system in Europe. This means it is engineered from the ground up to meet stringent life safety requirements, giving building owners, consultants, and authorities confident that the system will perform as intended when it mattered most. The VM3000 series delivered reliable voice evacuation with powerful performance and minimal complexity, supporting up to 60 speaker zones and up to 3,600 watts of output. It provides clear, intelligible audio for targeting or facilities-wide messaging, even in challenging acoustic environments. Integrated life safety features, including pre-record emergency and evacuation messages, continuous speaker line monitoring, and real-time fault reporting to ensure dependable operation when it matters most. Remote maintenance over LAN and Modbus integration enables strict forward connection to building management system and fire alarm system. The result is a simple to deploy, fully combined solution that reduces design effort, installation time, and long-term operation risk. The VX3000 series is TOA's most advanced and scalable voice evacuation platform, designed for large, complex facilities where resilience and long-term flexibility are essential. Its fully modular, IP-based architecture supports centralized, decentralized, or hybrid system design, reducing single points of failure and improving overall reliability through distributed intelligence and amplifications. Built for growth, the VX3000 allows zones and system components to be added over time without re-engineering, making it ideal for airports, transit hubs, campuses, and high-rise developments. Redundant networking, continuous system supervision, and fallback operating modes ensure intelligibility, evacuation messaging, even during partial system or network failures, deliver a future-ready solution for mission-critical environments. The system is capable for supporting 160 VX3000 frames, 12,180 remote microphone, 1,920 external audio sources, more than 1,000 EV messages. Those can be either emergency or non-emergency, and also up to 2,560 zones, 2,880 control inputs, and 3,800 and 140 control outputs. Its modular application architecture allows system designers to precisely match power capacity to each area of the building or campus, supporting both current needs and future expansion. From a life safety perspective, the VX3000 offers advanced emergency functionality. This includes multi-stage and phased evacuation messages, enable it to specific zone based on the evacuation strategy. Continuous supervision monitors system health and speaker lines in real time, while detailed events logging and fault reporting ensure issues are identified immediately, not during an emergency. Resilience is a core design principle of the VX3000. Redundant network path, backup power options, and distributed system intelligence reduce single points of failure and help ensure continuous operation even during partial system or infrastructure outage. VX3000 system also include regular non-emergency and emergency microphone, and also have a CB style microphone. In short, the VX3000 is not just a larger system, it's a mission-critical voice evacuation platform, purpose-built to deliver clear, intelligible life safety communication at scale, today and well into the future. The VM2000 system integrates amplifications, input routing, zone selection, and emergency priority control in a single compact unit. The standard configuration supports 5 independent speaker zones, with expansion available by linking additional units as facilities requirements grow. Our options of 120 and 240 watts allow the system to be matched to various space size and acoustic demands. The VM2000 supports multiple microphone and line inputs, dual BGM resources, and telephone paging for everyday operation. In emergency conditions, evacuation messages automatically take priority and override local volume controls and ensure clear, intelligible instructions. Designed to grow with the facilities, the VM2000 enables easy expansion without replacing the core system, delivering a dependable, standards-aligned voice evacuation solution that balances simplicity, flexibility, and cost effectiveness. To ensure a voice evacuation system performs as intended, loudspeakers are just as critical as the control and amplification platform itself. TOA voice evacuation systems are designed to work seamlessly with the wide range of the certified life safety rated speakers peripherals, allowing each space to be adjusted appropriately while maintaining compliance. Let's start with the pendant speakers. TOA offer the PE304BU W and PE604BU W series. These are recognized as the world's first mass notification rated pendant speakers, making them an ideal solution for open ceiling, orchards, and large public spaces. They support 8-ohm operation as well as 25, 770, and 100-volt distribution system. Selectable wire rotary switch at the back of the speaker. These models are certified to UL 1480 and CAN ULC S541-07, ensuring they met North American life safety requirements. For the ceiling-based installations, TOA provides range of the UL listed in ceiling speakers, including F122CU2, F2322CU2, F2352CU2, and F2852CU2. These speakers are specifically designed for application where clean acoustics and consistent coverage are required, such as offices, schools, healthcare environments, and retail spaces. They carry certificate to UL 1480 and CAN CSA C22.2 number 205, supporting their use in regulated emergency communication systems. We also have wall mount speakers. For wall mount and surface mount applications, TOA offers the BS680U box speakers. This model supports 70-volt and 25-volt distributor lines and can be installed on wall and recessed in the wall cavity. Like the other speaker options shown here, it is certified to ULs 1480 and CAN ULCS 541-07, making it suitable for indoor and controlled environment applications requiring reliable emergency audio. Continuing with our range of speakers peripherals, for the voice evacuation and mass notification system, the PC580RU and the PC580RVU ceiling speakers are some of the more common TOA speakers you will find around Canada. These are 8-inch ceiling speakers suitable for space that require broader coverage, and high output, such as corridors, classrooms, and common areas. They support 25-volt and 7-volt distribution system with transformer tap up to 5 watts, providing flexibility in system design when installed in the optional HY BC580U backend. These speakers also meets the CAN ULC S541, the UL 1480, and the UL 2043 requirements, making them suitable for use in the air handling space as part of the life safety system. For environment where sound must carry over long distance or through challenging conditions, I would like to highlight the SC630TU paging horn. This model is weather resistant and IP65 rated, making it ideal for the indoor and outdoor locations such as loading docks, warehouse, parking structures, or covered exterior areas. Like all TOA voice evacuation speaker components, It is certified to UL 1480 and CANULC S541 SO7, ensuring dependable performance in emergency situation. Lastly, for the high-power outdoor horn speakers, including the including the CS64U, the CS154U, and the CS340U models available by special order. These speakers support 25-volt and 70-volt lines and are fully waterproof with an IP65 rating, making them suitable for open campuses, industrial sites, and exterior notification zones. They also carry UL 1480 and CANULC S541 S07 certifications, aligning them with regulated voice evacuation and mass notification applications. In addition to the primary speakers options already discussed, we also offer a number of specialty horn-based loudspeakers designed for very specific use cases, typical where long-distance coverage or harsh environment condition are a factor. The TH series large horns are designed for durability and dependable operation in demanding environments. Their weather-resistant construction makes them suitable for industrial and or semi-outdoor locations, where the design focuses on high speech clarity and symmetrical sound dispersion. These models are typically applied with the intelligibility over distance is required, rather than conventional indoor space. We also offer horn array speakers available by special order for application that demand extend voice projection over large outdoor areas. These system features IP66 rated enclosure for use in harsh outdoor environments and utilize a horn array design to deliver clear, intelligible speech at long range. Their wide horizontal coverage makes them well suited for broad area public address applications such as campuses, yachts, or outdoor gathering spaces. While these products are more specialized than the speaker highlight on the previous slides, they further demonstrate TOA ability to support a wide range of voice evacuation and mass notification requirements. When a project extends beyond typical indoor or commercial environment, TOA provides solutions designed to maintain reliability, clarity, and system compatibility, even in the most challenging conditions. Let me now cover up our voice evacuation system offering. I want to focus back on the VX3000 specialty. Here we have two examples of how the VX3000 platform can be configured, also highlighting the flexibility of the architecture and how it adapts to different facilities requirements. The VX3000 is not a one-size-fits-all system. Instead, it allows designers to choose the system architecture that best suits the application. Whether the priority is zone dependence, shared background music, system efficiency, or redundancy. In the first example, shown at the top, we have a zone dedicated amplifier architecture using the VX3000 floor F. In this scenario, the floor is divided into 4 independent zones, each with its own background music source. Announcement can be sent to select zone only, and when the announcement occurs, the background music in that particular zone is automatically overridden. Each zone is driven by its own dedicated amplifier, which improves isolation, control, and reliability. One of the installed amplifiers can also be configured as a standby amplifier, provide a built-in redundancy. This approach is ideal for facilities where zones operate independently and system resilience is critical. So for the second example, shown here, use a shared amplifier or bus-based architecture with the VX3008F. In this design, background music is distributed across multiple zones simultaneously. An announcer can be sent to select a zone without interpreting background music in area not involved in the announcement. Music is only overridden in the zone receiving the message. This architecture allows a single amplifier to serve multiple zones effectively while still supporting a standby amplifier for redundancy. It is a strong fit for larger facilities with scalability and efficient user amplification are key consideration. In both examples, the core takeaway is flexibility. The VX3000 platform allows TOA system to be tailored exactly to the operational needs of the building, whether that means dedicated amplifier per zone or shared amplifier across many zones. And in time of crisis, the VX3000 provides unmatched reliability and sound coverage. Just as importantly, the VX3000 system works seamlessly with TOA full range of speakers that we discussed earlier in this presentation. This includes flyer-rated speakers, pendant speakers, in-ceiling speakers, wall-mount box speakers, as well as the horn and horn array speakers. This also ensures every zone can be used appropriate speakers type based on the acoustics, environment condition, and life safety requirements, while still operating as part of single, unified voice evacuation system. Our design approach eliminates the complexity and uncertainty often associated with audio and life safety communication systems. We offer free project design services delivered by experienced system designer with deep knowledge of acoustics and code requirements. Each project includes tailored bill of materials, providing an optimized equipment list that meets technical, operational, and budget needs without guesswork. We also supply documented acoustic performance to clearly define intelligibility and coverage expectation before installation. All recommendations, layout, and performance data are delivered in a clear, well-organized design package that supports approvals, simplifies installations, and reduces risk. From concept through final documentation, TOA Canada's free design services ensure systems are designed to perform when it matters most. The process begins by conducting with your TOA Regional Sales Manager, the RSM, to align on project scopes, goals, and challenges. To support an actual design, we request any available information upfront, such as a completed design worksheet, architectural drawing, and a clear description of end user requirement. Identifying desired features, existing system issues, and a general budget range helps our teams develop practical, well-aligned solutions. Details like head-end or rack locations, known obstacles, and photos of the space further improve accuracy. And site visit can be coordinated if needed. By gathering this information early, our design team can quickly deliver a tailored, code-aligned system design with confidence and efficiency. At TOA, delivering world-class life safety system also means providing strong education and ongoing support. To support the VX3000 platform, we are developing an on-demand VX3000 certification program, offering structured, self-paced training on system architecture, design, configuration, and best practices. We also host Dr. Zhao Academy webinars that explore real-world applications, system compatibilities, and design considerations. For immediate learning, record training sessions and webinars are available on our YouTube channel as well, providing practical insight for design, installation, and also commissioning. Together, these resources equip our partners with the knowledge and confidence to successfully specify, deploy, and maintain the VX3000 system, for example, reinforcing TOA's commitment to long-term project success. This is all for today webinars.
So yeah, that concludes the content portion of this webinar. We do still have the Q&A as well as our giveaway that we do at the end of each one of these. So we'd like to open the floor to you all. Quite heavy, I imagine, in terms of information and content for this one. So please feel free over the next couple of minutes to use either the chat or the Q&A section to let loose any questions you may have about any of our voice evacuation system offerings. If a question comes to you after the fact or you just want to reach out after this webinar, by all means, please use our site or reach out to sales and or tech and just let loose whatever you want to ask. We're here to help. Like I said, a few minutes after leaving the floor open for some questions, we'll move on to the giveaway for this month. So we'll get right to that. I'll say we'll give like a minute or so, and if no questions spark up.
Dr. Sound.